Hello and welcome to Zion Food Trucks, my friends. Today we have another beautiful food truck leaving us. This one is going down to Pechanga Casino in California. Now, because this is going to California, it's of course built to California specs and is built to and warranted to pass the code in California. Starting outside, of course, you can see the beautiful wrap, which is obviously custom. A menu display, which is of course in its lockable box. The service window, which is self-closing. Idea is somebody would come up here, they would lift up from inside, pass the product or take money, and it will close by itself. Required by code. This truck is brand new, straight from the factory. Of course, floor is aluminum diamond plate. The walls are all stainless steel. You can see between every intersection of walls, you would see a trim piece, totally locking out any grease or moisture going into the walls. Of course, inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood. All equipment are bolted down to the floor. Some, like this big guy over here, is also bolted to the walls. Starting here is freezer, refrigerator, all reach in of course, fryer. You can actually see the valve for the fire suppression system there. A 4-burner with oven at the bottom, a range that is, charbroiler, griddle, and that is the generator box. Fairly large generator inside. It's a 12 kilowatt Cummins, so it requires a larger generator box. The fire suppression system. Right here is the hand wash sink, 3-compartment sink. Since this is going down to California, as I mentioned, it has drain boards as well. Larger tanks in the bottom, again California spec. You can see the bottle, ABC bottle for the fire suppression. Sorry, it is a fire suppression bottle. You can see a K series as well out front. Soap and towel dispensers and a on-demand water heater. This one is going to operate inside the casino, and it requires continuous operation for a long time. And here is a sandwich prep. All our equipment, of course, are in their own breakers to prevent any, if one equipment is going to break, it's not going to take out something else. This goes labeled. That's the transfer box. Right now it's on utility supply. If it's on generator supply, you just flip it to the other side. Talking about the generator, it is a large Cummins generator which will run this thing for several days actually, for the gas tank that we have. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions or if you would like something like this, please do let us know through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.